Imagine this. You wake up on the icy stone floor of a one-room cottage. No bed, no warmth, just the cold, the hunger, and the quiet, heavy weight of poverty. For most, this would be a dead end, but for one boy, it was the beginning. His name was Andrew Carnegie. At 13, he left Scotland with his family and crossed the ocean to America. No money and no connection, no formal education, so just a fierce will to survive. Thrown straight into labour, 12-hour shifts in a cotton factory. Earning barely more than $1 a week, exhaustion became routine. The world owed him nothing. Then something remarkable happened. A neighbour opened his private library to working boys. One small act, one open door. That moment changed everything. Books became his escape and his engine. Each page sparked new ideas and new dreams. Over time, his mind began to link knowledge with hope and hope with action. This was not luck. It was conditioning. A feedback loop that turned struggle into fuel. Carnegie rose quickly. Messenger, telegraph operator, a railroad assistant, and then the man behind America's steel empire. By the end of his life, he was one of the richest men in history. But that is not why we remember him. Carnegie believed wealth was not meant to be hoarded. It was meant to be used. He gave away 90% of his fortune, more than $9.5 billion in today's money. He built 2,509 libraries, not just in big cities, but in forgotten towns. Places where ambition had no place to grow, until he gave it soil. He understood that one book can change a mind, and one mind can change the world. He lived by a single, powerful belief. The man who dies rich dies disgraced. Carnegie's life proves that hardship can be a forge. That legacy is not measured by what you keep, but by what you give. So when life feels cold, hard, and unfair, remember this. Every struggle is shaping you. Every small act of effort is building something bigger. Every moment of growth is a step toward your own legacy. You do not need to be born into greatness. You just need to believe that greatness can be built. This is the story of Andrew Carnegie, and it could be your story too, if you are willing to rise.